Good morning, kids. Today, the name of the lesson we are going to learn about is I Want. This is a story about a wishful monkey. Wish means want, desire, like what we wanted to be. Okay, now let us read the lesson and find out what wish this monkey had. Did it fulfill or not? So let us start reading. The name of the lesson is I Want. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. So this little monkey, which you are seeing in the picture, that monkey, it said that it wants to become big, it seems. And it want to become strong also. Strong means powerful. Okay. Let's go on to the next paragraph. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. Oh, what happened? So, one wise woman means a woman magician, one who will do all the jadus, no? So, that woman heard this monkey saying what it said. It said that it want to become big and strong. So, she hears him and she gave one magic wand. Wand means a stick. You have seen, no, that Paris will be having stick, no, in cartoon and all. They'll be having a stick in their hand, and through that they will do many magics and all, no. So like that, one stick she gave to that monkey, and she also said that whatever you wish, whatever your wish is there, no, that will come true. Okay, she said, and she went off. So next, a giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. So what happened after this? One giraffe, no, giraffe, it has a long neck, no, kids? Yeah. So that animal, it came and he stretched his long neck. Stretch means he drawed out, okay, to eat the leaves at the top of the trees. You know that giraffe can reach even the top of the tree, no, because it has a long neck, no. So this monkey, this little monkey, it was seeing the giraffe. So let us see what it said. I want a long neck, says little monkey. So this little monkey, what he thought, no, he thought that I want a long neck. Pop. Oh, what happened, no, next? His neck grows long just like the giraffe's. So as soon as he said that he wanted a long neck, no, his neck started growing and it became so long. How long? Like giraffe's neck. So next, little monkey is happy. Little monkey was very, very happy. Then an elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang. Oh. So first he wanted to become giraffe, no? So next, what this monkey saw? It saw one elephant. It was coming to the river. So it came to the river and it filled its trunk with water. Trunk means, you all know, no, kids? Long nose of an elephant. Okay. So after that, what he did, no, he blowed all over himself. Means, you all have might have seen, no, elephant taking water from his trunk and putting all over its body. So it was doing like that. So what this little monkey thought, no, oh, even I wanted to do like how this elephant is doing. So bang, bang. Let us see what happened next. Huh. Just like that, he grows a trunk. Oh, just like the elephant, no, even its trunk started the monkey also had a trunk like how the elephant had. See in that picture, kids? Yes, see its nose, monkey's nose. It was like a elephant's nose, I mean trunk only, no. And see its neck also. It is like giraffe's neck, no, long. See, it's looking very different, no, kids? Yeah. Next, let us read. He is very happy. Oh, now he is very, very happy. This is fun, he says. He thinks that This is very funny. Funny means what? It's very happy. Means joke. Means it's enjoying. So next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. Whiz. Oh. Next, after this, he saw this little monkey, he sees one zebra. You all know that zebra has white and black stripes, no? So seeing that this little monkey also wanted the stripes like how zebra was having all over its body. So as soon as that elephant said, so suddenly what happened? No, little monkey has stripes all over his body just like the zebra. As soon as it said that, even he wants stripes like how zebra was having. So suddenly what happened? Even monkey's body was also covered with full of stripes like how the zebra was having. So now what happened? This little monkey, he is very, very happy. So what happened? He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks dumb. He sees himself in the water. So what happened? This monkey, after having all the giraffe neck and monkey's trunk, elephant's trunk and zebra's stripe on its body, So he wanted to try out. So like how that elephant was filling its, filling water in its trunk and it was putting all over its body, no. So even this little monkey also wanted to try. So it went to the river and he looked down, means he looked into the river. So seeing himself in the water, let us see what happened. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. So seeing himself in the water, this monkey, it started crying, mama, help, a monster. He thought that it was a monster. Monster means you all know, no, it's a large and scary animal. Okay, so it's thought, this monkey thought that it's a monster. So but monkey's mother said, no baby, it's not a monster, that is you. So let us see what happened. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? So now monkey's mother is saying that, kid, see, it was your wish only that you want giraffe's neck, elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra. Don't you remember? His mother asked. Then this little monkey cries and cries. Now this little monkey started crying. I look half full. He says, the little monkey said that I'm looking very half full. Half full means very bad, fearful, scary. So it said, I want to be myself again. So it said that no, I don't want a giraffe's neck, I don't want elephant's trunk, I don't want a zebra stripe. I want to be myself. I want to be a monkey like how I was before. So what happened? Let's see. There is a pop, a bang and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. So what happened now, kids? So now this little monkey's wish was what? He wanted to become monkey again. So he became monkey again. So seeing himself that he was a monkey, this little monkey was very, very, very happy. He started jumping with joy. Joy means happy. So let's see what happened. He throws the magic wand into the river. So he was having a magic wand, means magic stick, in his hand. So who gave that stick? One woman gave that stick, a wise woman. So now this little monkey thought, because of this wand only, whatever I wish, it was happening to me. So he suddenly threw that wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. So this little monkey never wanted to become like any other animal. He wanted to be like how he is. So this story was written by Judy Ling. So kids, from this lesson, what you have come to know? So you all have might have thought that one or the other day that like you want to be like a bird, you wanted to be like a fish, you wanted to be like some other thing. But remember, like how we are, no, we should happy with that only. Okay, kids. So if like God has created us, like how, like you, like what you are, so we should be happy with that only. Okay, so from this lesson you all have learned that you have to be like yourself. You should be happy with what you are. So it's very happy, like if like watching a bird flying, watching fish swimming. But God has not made you a fish, a bird. God has made you like what you are now. So you have to be happy with that only. Okay? Yes. Okay, kids. Have a nice day.